Hello, I would like to teach you how to open a red, yellow, and green lock combination. First of all, you're going to clear the lock memory. You're going to turn it to the right past 0 2 times. Turn it to the right. There's 0, 1. Turn it to the right again. There's 0 again. Next step, start at 0. Then turn it to the right till you get to the red number. Go slow so you don't miss the red. Next, turn it to the left to get to yellow. Keep going left till you get to yellow again. Next, turn it to the right till you get to green. Go slow so you don't miss it. Stop, pull up. That is how you open a red, yellow, and green lock combination. Let's say your students are ready for the next step. Let me show you. The next step. You need to clear your lock memory, turn right to the 0, turn right to 0 again. This time, your students already understand the red, yellow, and green. Now we're going to throw in the numbers. Maybe this is their second year with this lock combination. It's ready to step up their skills. Turn it to the right to red 16. There's red 16. Next, turn it to the left, yellow 18. Left, yellow 18. Right, green 28. Go slow so you don't miss it. Stop, pull up. This lesson is for the color and the number. Eventually, if they've done it long enough, they can get rid of the color and use just the numbers. I hope this helped. Have a great day, guys.